Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 CFMoto Adventura 650. This twin-cylinder adventure bike just arrived with only 353 miles. It still has 21 months left on a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty, ABS-equipped fuel injection. It also has accessories mounted, including the engine guard, hand guards, luggage rack, and it comes standard with these lockable, removable side cases. Beautiful sport touring. It's got an adjustable windscreen, fuel injected, twin cylinder. Come on by. Make your sporting, touring dreams come true for just $59.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.